All right. I think we are live, baby. Holy moly. G-Man, what's up? Good morning. Good mornings to you, sir. Hang on, let me get my other stuff pulled up here. Let me get this shared out to Twitter and Discord and all the good stuff. You already know the deal. Copy. All right, let me get this shared out on Twitter. Here we go. Bang, bang. Ready to rock and roll. Good morning. Ayo, what's up? Let's make some money. I love it. I love the vibes. That's what we do. Making some monies. We got some news today, chat. FOMC's rate statement later today. Don't be surprised if the markets decide to chop around at all. It could be a weird day. Now it's trying to catch a little bit of a bid here. Getting a little bidski. How's y'all's week, man? If y'all just tuning in, be sure to drop a like on the stream. Helps me out a bunch. Just get it out the way. Free way to support the channel. Absolutely, positively free. Wow, we have 600 contracts with 537. 208 up here. We're fixing to hit. There's a lot of orders on the book map right now. Hoping you can get your trading done early. Yes, that is the plan. That's the absolute goal, is to get it done early. Get it out the way early. That way we ain't got to mess with it. No more. About to pop this London high. Bang, bang, there you go. We'll see what today brings. We do have the rate statement, so we do have to be cautious of that. Be aware of what's happening in the world. Markets could get a little bit weird today, given the rate statement later on this afternoon. Nasdaq popping that London high, pulling back off of it. See if it pulls all the way back down or if we continue to try catching a bid. Holy moly. What a move. What a move. Holy. Chat, be careful today. Be absolutely careful today. Passing the weekly anchored VWAP. Already looking scary. Yeah, prices, chat, this is get very weird. This get very weird today. What was that? To be honest, I think it was the Bank of Canada rate statement, because we had some headlines that come out for the Bank of Canada, so which they can affect our markets, by the way. So I think that that little random pop there was from that. That's what it appears to be. Chat, which one of y'all is going to bring me a Celsius? Huh? Which one of y'all is going to do it? All right, we are popping back below 490s VWAP there. Trade 482. Chat, I don't know, man. I don't know. This PA could get a little bit weird. We have 614 contracts, chat. Y'all see that on Bookmap there? Said on Bookmap, 614 contracts. Just at 537, bro. What is happening today? What is it? What is happening, chat? Also, chat, we have 2 likes on the stream. That's unacceptable. If y'all could hit that like button, yo, smash it. It's free. Absolutely free. Takes a second every day. Just to get it out the way. Holy moly. Y'all need postage stamps on your phones and computers and monitors to say hit the like button. Those little post-it notes. ST, good morning. Bought a couple of accounts on JM today. Yo, appreciate you for supporting the community. Holy moly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The more you guys support the community, the more giveaways I'm going to do, which we're going to be having some Tradeify giveaways here soon, chat. I'm going to be doing some Tradeify giveaways. Support is free. Absolutely. Holy moly. Couldn't have said it better. Couldn't have said it any better. Chat, why does my trade evade? Oh, wait, hold on. That's fine. I was bugging there for a minute, chat. Trade evade looks so different than trading view. And I was like, I don't know what's happening, but it's because I was on like 2 different time frames. Had me worried there for a minute. Man, what a sweep of London high there and a rejection off of it, bro. That was just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. BEA, beautiful, chat. And then a nice little test on previous day close and these lows here. Holy, what a bounce there. Play the extremes, chat. Play the extremes. Smells clean in here. Corey, holy moly. Coming in with the shots. Corey, need you to relax. I'm going to listen. I'll test that add button today again. Trust me. I'll do it. I will do it. I'm going to make sure it works this time. You hit the like. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm live a little bit late this morning, chat. I'm sorry. I'm live a little late. Nasdaq catching a little bit of a bid ski. Trying to get back above VWAP. I don't know if we're going to make it or not, but she's trying. Baby girl is trying. We have 300 contracts, 311 contracts at 500, 612 at 537, chat. Holy. There is some orders out there. All right, coming back down here to these lows, trying to at least. Smash the like button for Joey Morgan. It's free and helps keep the channel pumping. Don't skip it or your futures trading will be as cursed as a bull market with no Wi-Fi. Holy moly. Wait a minute, let me pin it. That rhymed. Wait a minute, let me pin it. Might be a #1 rapper. Go platinum. But he's right. If you haven't hit the like button, be sure to do so. Hotspot, man, I don't know. Trading on a hotspot, it's a scary thing. That's a very scary thing, bro. I don't know about it. Trading on a hotspot, I feel like you'd have like lag and delay and all the bad stuff. Like you enter a position, it doesn't actually enter you like until 10 seconds later, and by that time price has already moved 40 points, and it's just like, I don't know about it. I don't know. Yeah, you did it and reflected on what you did and said, yeah, I have a problem. Yeah, that's I don't know that I condone hotspot trading. It's a little bit risky, chat. A little bit risky. Back up to VWAP. We're gonna see if we can get anything, chat. We are up on my TradeFi accounts today from a trade that we took earlier. We took one trade last night and one trade earlier this morning, and we're sitting up. What am I up? 850 or something like that. Here, actually, let me drag this over. Yeah, 850. We're up 850 on these accounts. We'll see if something presents itself. But up 850 on the FOMC day, chat. Holy moly. Sounds like a lake day, huh? Go hit the boat. Go do some fishing. Got it out the way early type thing. FOMC days are rough to trade. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. They're a little tricky, man. A little tricky. Nah, it's acting like it wants to hold these lows here. But we're just like, we're moving sideways, chat. I mean, we were just like all up in the middle here. I mean, VWAP, I mean, it's just, ugh. Ugh. You know what I mean, chat? Just ugh. We'll see what the morning brings. We are going to go live later this afternoon, though, chat, just because we have FOMC rate segment. We're going to see the price action. We're going to see what we can do. We'll be live for a little bit this morning and see if we can get anything. If not, we'll be back this afternoon. Redneck Trades in the building. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Man. Chat PA ain't doing shit. It ain't doing nothing, chat. Holy moly. Somebody go wake it up. Somebody go wake it up. PA is just kind of chilling down here on these lows. We'll see if we hold it or not. We have orb low down there at 450, and then we have orb high at 510. I mean, what's our range today? Hold on. What's the range so far? 75 points, chat. So far, we have a range of 75 points. Gross. Absolutely gross. Massive. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely huge. Just huge. Nazi trying to catch a Bidsky. Chat, if you haven't noticed, Tradeify is running basically 50% off right now on straight to funded accounts. I don't know. It's a no-brainer. If you're not getting accounts right now with Tradeify that's straight to funded for 50% off, are y'all even living life? I mean, code JM will get you that 50% off. Holy, you can't make it up, chat. Holy moly. You just can't make it up. I mean, look at this. Straight to funded. Or I should say lightning funded now. You know, 100Ks. The price was 629. They dropped the price at 540, and with the discount, 351. 351 bucks for a straight to funded 100K account, chat. With code JM. I mean, $176 for 25K, 250 for a 50K. I mean, this is the deal of the century at the moment. Absolute deal of the century at the moment, chat. And it ends, what, tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. Ends tomorrow. So be sure to use code JM to lock that in. I don't know if that will ever be back. Ever. Now it's trying to catch a bid again. Hang on a second, chat. Be right back. Do you have to pass the eval to get Lightning funded? No, Lightning Fund is straight to funded. You can go buy a straight to funded account right now and be trading a funded account. Lightning Funded is their straight to funded. They just rebranded it to Lightning Funded. And that ends tomorrow, chat, by the way. It ends tomorrow. So if you want to lock in that deal, be sure to do it before tomorrow. So you don't miss it. Man, PA not doing shit right now, chat. Holy. Chat, this might be one of those days where you wait till after the rate statement, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Don't try to force anything. I mean, it's not doing, the price is not it right now. We're legit going sideways. Look at this. We've been sideways, going nowhere. I mean, you could like scalp the ends of the ranges and stuff, like the extremes, but it ain't worth it. The juice isn't worth the squeeze. The juice is not worth the squeeze, chat. We're just down here holding these lows. 476. Low of the day is at 450. But we're holding like this little support area. At least trying to. I'm squeezing, and you're right. Yeah, it's just not worth it, bro. It's moving slow, not moving very much. Not much to really gain from this. Not much to gain, chat. Unless we just got some random volatility, but honestly, I don't see that happening until after the rate statement. Exactly, G-Man. It is an absolute snooze fest in the market right now. Okay. Love you. What time will you be back? What time will you be back? Hang on, chat.
Mapping class 2 hours, and then probably another 2 hours, so 2:33.
Okay, that's fine.
By the time that I drive back.
Okay, I leave at 5.
Okay, I'll be back.
All right, love you. Chat, y'all want to see my husky? Come here. While we're just chilling and pricing, doing shit. Copper. Copper. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. I know it. Come here, pause. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Look at the camera for the people. Look at the camera. No, come here. Hey, come here. Pause. Come here. Pause. Hey, come here. Hey, pause. Good boy. Yeah. Hey, good boy. Chat, huskies are wild. If you've ever wanted a husky, don't. Don't. Corey, I'm sick of you hating on me. Holy shit. G-man. Jess says, watch out for the fat paw on the keyboard. You are not lying. Yo, I also have a cat, and my cat likes to jump on my desk, and that terrifies me when I'm trading and I have like charts pulled up. Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. It's like you see the cat jumping in slow motion, knowing that what all could go wrong. You know everything that could go wrong with this, and it's all running through your head as the cat's jumping up on the desk. Chat, y'all about to get an ad for Corey's behavior. For Corey's behavior, y'all about to get an ad, bro. Y'all can blame Corey. Should I ban her? I don't know what you're talking about, Corey. I'm the absolute best looking bald guy on the internet. Best looking bald guy on the internet. You can't make it up. Chat, what are we doing? What are we doing? I mean, P, look at these wicks. Look at what we've done today. Look at what we've done. Chat, I don't know if it's worth sitting around waiting, watching this. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if it's worth watching this paint dry. Holy moly. Catching a little bit of a bid here, getting back above VWAP. Catching a little bid. What time's the race statement? It's at 1 o'clock, right? Yeah, 1 o'clock Central Time. 1 o'clock Central is the race statement. We'll be live for that in the afternoon. Gonna take the day off, crush it. Yo, enjoy your day off. Enjoy the day off. I mean, we're doing absolutely nothing. What is the best advice you've ever gotten about trading? What is the best advice I've ever gotten about trading? I'm gonna think on this one. It's interesting because I really haven't I really don't have any. I've never had any mentors or anybody that I've looked up to or got advice from. So it's really hard to answer that question. So I have to think generically on that's something that I've heard in the industry. I would say that the best advice, and this is just me kind of generalizing it, not word for word, just kind of the basic concept of it. I would say the best advice that I've got is the market's always going to be here, right? And there's going to be opportunities always presenting themselves, whether it's today, tomorrow, the next day. You don't have to take trades every single day because there's going to be opportunities at some point, whether it is tomorrow or the next day, right? And so really at the end of the day, I think what it boils down to is there is no rush in this industry. You're always going to have an opportunity. You're always going to be able to trade the markets. The market's going to be here forever. So if price action is doing what it's doing today and doing just absolutely nothing, there's no need to force or rush or try to hunt down entries when there's nothing really there to trade. A lot of people try to force trades and hunt down trades because they want to make money today, right? They got to do it today. It's why, when there's going to be another opportunity eventually, whether it is this afternoon or tomorrow or the next week, right? So that's probably the best advice I've ever heard. Corey wants it now. Absolutely now. Right now. Look at this bid though. Interesting little bid here. Interesting bid. buying all the way back up here. Getting above 500 is where is this coming from? Holy moly. Wait a minute, chat. Got my 100K lightning funded. Use code JM. Sweet. How many can you have? And can you copy trade them? You can have 5, Redneck. You can have 500K lightning fundeds. And you can copy trade them, yes. I have 5 right now. Stack them up. Stack them up, chat. All right, so we caught a bid all the way up to 522s. High a day is staying at 526. We have 514 chat. Look at Bookmap right now on this, on the left side of your screen. 513 contracts staying up here at 526. Holy. Waiting for a pullback, yeah. We could get a little pullback ski. But it's like, is it gonna pull back or is it gonna just rip, you know, melt straight back down again? That's what I'm wondering. Chat, hold on, give me just a second, I'll be right back. All right. We are trading above that 15-minute orb there. Five tens at orb high. Do we go rip high of day, chat? That's the question. Do we rip high of day? After all this bullshit, we finally gonna rip it. Looking like she wants to. She might want to do it, chat. Holy. She might want to do it. Like the 521 break and retest. Get a little breakout trade. All right, she is pulling back. She's throwing it back, chat. Holy. Coming all the way down. Chat, you ever just like not look at your phone for a while and then randomly look at it and you have like 1,000 notifications of people trying to get in touch with you? Holy. Holy moly. I looked down at my phone, I had like 1,000 notifications. I'm popular today. Your boy's popular today. Uh-oh, chat. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. What are we doing? 516 contracts up at 26. Are we going to go chase it? Are we going to chase it? Holy. We're getting a little movement now, chat. We're getting a little movement now. There's a new high day. What kind of self-proclaimed guru leads the example of chasing? I didn't say we're chasing it. Holy. I said prices might be chasing this 516. I ain't chasing. Holy. What you mean, Corey? Corey, what do you mean? Look at this pullback on this high. Look at this. Chat, we about to have a failed auction. 713. Chat, what is going on? What is all this liquidity? Look at this. 713 on Bookmap right now. IBF? Great for my entertainment? You're great for a ban button. Oh man, chat. We broke the highs. Pulled back. I don't know if we're going to fail this or if we're going to have continuation, chat. This is very tricky, PA. Very tricky, PA. It's one of those days where it's like you just can't trust follow through or continuation. You can't trust it. We have 720 contracts up at 26 and then 264 up at 562, chat. Holy. Trading just above this orb high. I don't know, chat. Maybe the short's the play. Maybe we just short the ranges, right? Maybe that's the case. I don't want to overtrade because I am up nicely on the day, up 860 on all 5 of my straight funded accounts. So I don't really want to force anything. But I'm almost like, if I were to be trading today and trading this, I would say just play the ranges. You just had an ad, I watched it, and now I need to buy some Mr. Clean. It's like buying, like, I mean, I'm pretty much Mr. Clean, so I'm going to show up at your house. A version of me is going to show up at your house. I'm too expensive. You're right. I am pretty expensive. I am pretty expensive. That is true. Chat, y'all trading this? What are y'all doing, bro? Talk to me. Are y'all like long, short, break even, flat, fucking off and not trading this? Like, what are y'all doing? What's y'all's take on the market right now? I don't think I want to touch this. BW is long from VWAP. Holy, nice trade. Get that breakout. Get that big old breakout. Chat, will one of you bring a Celsius to me? Somebody hop in the vehicle and bring me a Celsius. Back to paper for me. Maybe. I mean, I'm up $860 on the day. Why trade? So why trade on the funded account right now? That's it, chat. I'm getting a Celsius. Hold on. Give me a sec. We're gonna order a Celsius. I was gonna do it live on stream, but it shows my home address, and some of y'all might show up at my door. Jeff looking for a long after the 5-minute close and retest of 521. We still have all that liquidity sitting up there at 562. We have 268 contracts sitting up there. There's been a lot of people toying with the market today. Absolutely toying with the market today, chat. A lot of orders getting moved around. And I don't think they're algos because a lot of them have been getting filled. Nobody's really like spoofing the market or anything because they are getting filled. So I don't know. It's interesting. They could be algos. They could be. And the algos are getting filled. But they are real orders getting filled in the market. So I don't know. Jeff, you might get that long, buddy. Jeffrey, you might get the long. There's your break. Oh, chat, hold on. I gotta check to see if I ordered a camera. That's like a POV camera. And it's supposed to come in today. Hold on, let me see when it gets here. Just says arriving today. Didn't give me a time. All right, cool. That does me no good. Tomorrow likely to have better PA after FOMC and some big earnings release this afternoon. Yeah, hopefully we have some decent volatility tomorrow. But also too, like after FOMC rate statements, a lot of times the market can still consolidate and just chop around afterwards the rest of the week, just as like the market digests all the information that we got for FOMC. So it could be hit or miss. Okay, all those orders got pulled, which is interesting. Those 260 something orders, all of them got pulled. Wonder why? I wonder why, chat. What a piece of shit price action. Yes, that is correct. You're absolutely correct. Jeff might be getting his long here though. I'm curious, Jeff, did you take it? Trying to get a breakout above IB high here. One of those days where you keep resetting your chart because you think they froze. Yeah, 100%. Hundo percento. Holy. Chat, while price isn't doing anything, well, we're about to break the highs. Do y'all have any questions, bro? Questions about trading? Strategy? Risk management? I'm in the ask me anything type mood. Let's do an AMA, chat. I'm in the mood to do it, so we can do an AMA. Did I take out the boat yet? Oh, 100%. I've been on. Listen, I got the boat last week, and I was out on it all weekend, and I'm going back out on it today, this evening, and then I'll be out on it again pretty much all weekend, this weekend. So yeah, oh we taking the boat out. Pizza or tacos? That's the real question. Depends on where you get the pizza. Also depends on where you get the tacos. You get a good pizza from New York. I was out in New York for a little bit. You can get some bomb pizza in New York. It's fire. But you can also get really good tacos depending on where you go. So, I'll say that if you're in South Florida and you're getting some like blackened mahi tacos or ahi tuna tacos, either or, if we can count those as like tacos, then tacos. House chicken ticks? You mean fish and ticks? Fish and ticks. Tacos numero. Tacos numero. And NY was amazing. Nice. Corey, I bought this POV camera that's like, it's a magnet, so it has like a necklace, and then the magnet can go under your shirt, and then the POV camera just like sticks right to your chest. I bought that so specifically for fishing content. So yeah, it's we're gonna start it for sure. We're gonna have a YouTube channel for fishing, chat. I don't know if it's gonna be fish and ticks or if I'm gonna relate it, or if I'm gonna like combine fishing and trading. But we are gonna have a fishing channel. So if you're into fishing, you're into that kind of thing, which a lot of people are, majority of people are, there will be a fishing YouTube channel. 100%. Am I going to be banned from that too? Depends on how you act. Holy Jeff, talk to me. Jeff, did you get it? FTH, you cannot, you retracted that message too slow. Too slow, holy. I read it all. I read every single bit of it. I always wait for the break and close in the 5 minute. Then I wait for the retest. Gotcha. Chat, I always read y'all's message before I read it out loud. Because I never know what y'all are going to say. And knowing me, I'll read it. So I have to read what y'all say before I say it out loud. But yes, PW does like to fish, and he does like to keep the women with him. I'm going to hit him up and try to go back down to the BDH soon. It was a good time being there. Bring copper with you when you fish. I'm going to. I might even bring him today. It's gonna be kind of hot. I'm gonna take him. I am gonna take him though. What did I read that shouldn't read in the past? Nothing. I just have to make sure that I do read what y'all put before I read it out loud. Because some of y'all can say some off the wall shit, bro. Is that at you? Yes, Corey. That is at you. Hang on, chat. Be right back. Yo, where's my Celsius, chat? Is it here yet? Oh, it's heading to me. Get the likes up for the guy. Yeah, totally, bro. Totally. Get the likes up. Hit that like button. Hit the like button for your boy. I need to get better at going live earlier. If I go live later in the morning, the viewership's always lower. So I need to get better at going live earlier in the morning, like around 8 o'clock, 8:15. Give people time to get in here before they get in elsewhere. Afternoon streams do pretty good. Need to get better at the morning streams though. There is a lot of competition. There's a ton. Yeah, there's a ton of streamers. Like there's 1,000 of people live during the morning session. 100%. 100%. Every streamer and their mother is live right now, literally. But that's okay. Not too worried about it. I built my channel off long form content, not live content. So a lot of my whole channel is built off actual like long form videos. So we're working on the live audience. We're working on the live stream, building up that audience too. This PA not giving me an entry. Yeah, it's tough. I mean, I'm not convinced of the long. If I'm being honest, chat, I'm not convinced on the longs at all. If anything, I think we fail this IB and we come back down. I'm not convinced. But that's just my opinion. I mean, I could be wrong. I've been wrong before many times. Many times, but I don't know. There's something about the market trying to trend before FOMC doesn't make sense. Like, really think about that for a second. Why would the market trend before FOMC? Unless something got leaked, obviously. But why would we do that? I think the market ranges until FOMC. And here we come back down. Right back down, chat. Holy. Chat, it's gonna be a range morning. Chat, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call it a morning. Because I'm not gonna be trading this. Like I'm there's nothing for me to trade. I am going to be live for the rate statement. So I will be live before 1 o'clock. I'll go live around probably 12:30, 12:45 or so. We'll be live for the entire afternoon. So be sure to tune in there. Remember, TradeFi is 50% off right now. Use code JM with straight to funded accounts only. I think it's only straight to funded account. Only straight to funded accounts. Here's the graphic for it, maybe, if I can pull it up. There we go. TradeFi, basically 50% off on all the Lightning funded, the straight to funded accounts. You can get it for 50% off. Use code JM to lock it in. 100Ks, you can get them for 351. 50Ks, you can get them for 250. 25Ks, 176. It is the best deal on the markets right now, but it ends, chat, listen, it ends July 31st, tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. EST. So be sure to lock it in before that sale ends using code JM to support the community, fam. With that said, hope you guys have a good rest of your morning. I'm going to call it there. Go eat some breakfast, drink my Celsius, spend some time with the boy, and we'll be back. We'll be back this afternoon. If you trade this, trade safe, baby. Peace.